Happy Scribe audio service, honest review, watch before using. If you're considering using Happy Scribe for your transcription and subtitling needs, stick around because this review will help you decide if it's worth your time and money. And as always, you'll find links to Happy Scribe in the description below. Happy Scribe is an AI-powered transcription and subtitling service designed to transform audio and video files into accurate, readable text. Its standout features include support for over 120 languages, timestamp transcriptions, speaker identification, and a seamless subtitle editor. Whether you're a content creator, journalist, academic researcher, or business professional, this tool aims to simplify the tedious task of transcribing and captioning. The AI transcription is impressively accurate, even for files with moderate background noise or accents. For even higher precision, Happy Scribe offers human transcription services with up to 99% accuracy, delivered within a few hours. The platform also integrates with major tools like Zoom, Dropbox, and YouTube, making it easy to upload and process files directly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with helpful tools like text highlighting, export options in multiple formats, and an autosave feature to prevent losing progress. One major plus is the collaboration-friendly environment where teams can edit and comment on transcriptions in real time. Pricing is flexible. You can pay per minute for occasional use or opt for a subscription if you frequently need transcription services. Who is Happy Scribe for? If you're someone who values accuracy, speed, and ease of use, this service is a solid option. However, for those on a tight budget or working with extremely poor quality audio, you might want to explore alternatives first. Overall, Happy Scribe delivers on its promises and is a fantastic solution for both personal and professional transcription needs. If this review was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It not only supports us, but also helps others discover valuable information like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.